Hello everyone, Gabriel here. So today I find myself at Mara Laguna, and what I'm showing you guys, it's this very unique, colorful condo. As you can see, there's some cool artwork on the wall and painting, all within the theme of the coral reef. You can see some coral, and these are actually artwork. And so it's a very unique condo. And for those that do not know where Mara Laguna is, it's situated just about a mile north from San Pedro town center. That would translate about less than 10 minutes golf cart ride. And the unit we're on, or in, it's A203. This condo does have an ocean view. Let me see if you can. You have the ocean view, and it's a very highly desirable condo within the development, especially those that do know where this is located. I'm sure you've been looking, and there has been nothing in the market for the last couple months. So this one, it's listed at $215,000. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, approximately 1,500 square feet. And here I come to the guest bedroom. Very nice. Very ideal if you're looking at a rental property, or if you want to just live on it full time. These type of properties are very much ideal for either or. HOA fees here, you're looking about 300 plus insurance, just under 400 US a month. To be exact, it's about $380 a month. Here we come to the master. The artwork and the painting on the wall, all themed into jungle and then the coral reef. That's what Belize is known for here on the islands. It's all about diving, fishing, the coral reef, and then you go on a flight west. That would be under 30 minutes flight, and you're in the jungle, mountains. And so that's what these owners were trying to create in here. And very nice, well maintained. I do have to admit, being in here, it's a very nice condo, one of the nicer ones I've seen in here. There always seems to be another one that comes up that's even better than the other one. And so this one overall seems to be up there. Shower, very spacious. And then what you have here, it's an owner's lock-off. So there's a lock here. This one, I assume it is an owner's lock-off. Like many others within the development, they would use this closet and put owners' personal belongings and lock it up while they're away. And so when they're coming to Belize, they don't have to be carrying a lot of luggage with them. So very convenient for a lot of owners. Here you have a central air unit. Actually, this one, it's not central air unit. This one, it's here you just have storage space. Even better, you have split units. So I didn't notice that at the beginning, but let me point it out. There you go. They all have the split units. It's even better because it helps driving down utility cost, right? So instead of airing out the entire unit, you can just air out specific parts where you find yourself in. So this condo, at its price, again, $215,000. Owner is looking for a cash offer, and all furniture is included. furniture, utensils, appliances. So again, very, very detailed, well-maintained, upgraded unit. And we do have parking space. Again, for those that do not know about Mara Laguna, it's a gated community, 24/7 security service. HOA maintains the grounds, the grounds utility, and internet and cable TV. You're looking about $16 a month. Water depends on your usage, and then electricity on something like this again depends on your usage. So HOA fees, you're looking about 300 plus insurance, all in all just under 400 US a month. If you have any questions or concerns, do feel free to email me at gabriel@compasspremierrealty.com, and I'm here. I'm willing to answer your questions, willing to help in any way I can, and to help get this into your hands. All right.